Alright folks, I'm super excited because today is the day that my collaboration with Radiava, an amazing clothing brand, is dropping, so stick around after the intro to find out more about my process, about how amazing the company is, and how I got to get this opportunity, and just general more information on that. Hey, what's up people, this is Doubtgrades. My name is Josh Shadal and I'm an artist, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the collaboration with the company Radiava that I did. What came out of this are these amazing designs. Right before we get into it, I know usually I show the finished product at the end, but I figured in this video it's more informative, so you would probably want to know what I'm talking about. Alright, these are the designs. Unfortunately, I do not have any of the hoodies or t-shirts myself yet, because I will have to wait until I get back to Germany to get my hands on them, but I'm very excited for that, and these people look so much better in it anyway, so yeah, this is what we were talking about. And also, before we jump into it, just a quick reminder that the supply of these products is very limited, so if you want to just head over to the store right now to get a hold of it, that's probably a good idea, because there might be just very little time to get a hold of these. Alright, so how did I get this opportunity? A couple of months ago, Radiava approached me, and they said that they really liked my work, and I still told them that I really liked their work, and I will come back to why exactly I love their company so much in a little bit. We sat down and we had a talk about what their expectations were, what my expectations were, and it was very successful, and I came out of it with essentially just two instructions. And the first one was to make it about space, so something to do with like supernova, stars, the universe, something like that. But they did say that I had a lot of freedom, so if I had any ideas that they might like, I could just sketch it out and it might happen. That was the first instruction, and the second one was to make it only in white, so the products would be black and the printing on it white. And there's a very cool reason for that, actually, which again I will mention later when I talk more about Radiava. But I was very happy about this sort of restriction, because if you know my art, if you know what I do, then you know that I love working in black and white. And even though I usually put some kind of color into my drawings, I tend to prefer the black and white version anyway. Alright, so I started doing a little bit of research. I started sketching out some stuff. I looked on Pinterest, looked at a lot of pictures of space and what I could best do and how I could best kind of combine that with the logo of Radiava. These are the sketches that came out of it. I was very happy with them. I sent them over, and they also seemed to be quite happy with it, because they asked me to finalize 4 of the sketches into something that you would be able to print onto it, so like make an actual drawing out of it. And these are the drawings that came out of it. I actually ended up making 5, because there's 2 variations of this one, and I was happy with them, and they again seemed to be happy with them as well, because they decided on 3 of the final designs. It's this astronaut design, this space design, and this different space design that they wanted printed onto their products. So it wasn't just one design as we had expected, but actually 3 of them. So this is essentially where my part in this ends. So let's talk about Radiava a little bit, because they are actually a very great company. It was founded by 2 young guys in their early 20s that I've known for quite some time, Hannes and Lasse, and they brought out their first collection earlier this year. And I just think it's so crazy, like the initiative, the independence, and just the strength of putting out a clothing brand in your early 20s. Like, can you imagine that? That's just amazing. But not only are these guys very independent and have a very good sense for fashion, but also they care about the environment, because all the products are 100% organic cotton, they are CO2 neutral, and they are produced in Vietnam by the Fair Wear Foundation. So they make sure that all the workers are paid fairly, that they are treated fairly, that they have fair working hours. So it's not only looking out for the environment, but also looking out for the people. Now, coming back to what I hinted at earlier, the reason why I had to make this design in only black and white is because they decided to have the designs printed by a local German printing company, and they manually screen printed all these designs with all organic paint onto the product. So again, very environmentally friendly. But if that isn't enough for you, there's a cherry on top, because for every single product that is sold, they are collaborating with the Trillion Tree Foundation, and 1 tree is planted in Yucatan in Mexico for every single product that they sell. So that is just so amazing. If you know me, I care a lot about the environment, and it's just like, I don't know, working with a company like that is just like the biggest dream. More information on everything will be available on the website, which I will be putting right here. It's radiava-shop.de, and it will also be in the description, and you can find more information on the planting the tree thing, and there's also a little section about me, and that's also where you can, of course, buy the products. Now, if you want to do that, I'd suggest you head over there fairly quickly, because like I said, the supply is very, very limited. The hoodies are going for €90, the t-shirts for €45, and the shipping inside of Germany is for €95. Unfortunately, there's no international shipping available, but if you are from Scotland and you know me here in Scotland, you can quickly shoot me a message and we can order the product to my address in Germany, and I can give you the product when I come back up from the holiday break. So for my Scottish folks, there's still an opportunity to get this product, even if the shipping is only available inside of Germany. Okay, I will show you all the final designs and products again right now, and just take the opportunity to thank the guys at Radiava again for this amazing opportunity, this amazing experience, and one of the best projects I've ever worked in my entire life, and I learned so much, and I'm just couldn't be happier to be part of anything, and I can't wait to get my hands on the products myself. With that, I will say all of my usual YouTube stuff. Click here to subscribe to my channel, find a video you might be interested here, and a playlist you might like right here. I'm just going to hang in the frame until you click on something, or until you head over to Radiava's store, and we'll see you in the next video after that. Bye bye.